Alright guys, we're just going to install our tail blocking on this fish. First thing we're going to do is remove the little end of the keel here past the last frame. So we just take a Japanese saw. I like to hold it up against the frame so my cut is perfect. Pop that guy out. And then our fishtail blocking fits right in here. We're gonna just kind of dry fit it real quick. And we're gonna put a mark on our chine where the blocking is gonna cross. And we're gonna cut our chine off right on this line. Voila! This is the final view of how your fish tail blocks interact with your rail strips. So you have your chine log, just kind of runs right into your tail block, and then your starter strip runs past it. Nice tight joint on the outside. That's what we're going to see potentially. Only thing left to do after this is kind of shake down our tail blocks.